Well, hello! I'm Price Anderson, sales representative with Bose & Cox Limited Brokerage in beautiful downtown Peterborough. Welcome to Let's Talk Real Estate for a Minute, Open House Edition. Today, we've got some fabulous open houses lined up for this weekend, hosted by your Bose & Cox team. Well, we've got a lot of open houses this weekend, 14 to be exact, and I'm running behind. I've been out in my garage trying to get rid of a few items there, and if you'd like to see the video on that, it's in the description and the comments section. 14 properties to get through. I won't be reading through these all this time, but if you'd like to skip ahead, there's also links to the descriptions and maps in the comments and description depending on whether you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. Hope you have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll come out and take a look at some of these properties. I'll leave links to the property descriptions and maps in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye now.